a glazing of cups in here, where I'm just going to show you a very simple combination of these three amazing colors from Amaco. So we have the Honey Flux, Ancient Jasper, and then the Textured Turquoise. So what I'm going to do is, the outside of the mug, the base is 3 coats each, inside and out is going to be Honey Flux, and then on the rim is going to be Ancient Jasper, and then below the rim is we have the Textured Turquoise. Alright, let's get started. I already applied the third coat of Honey Flux on the outside of this mug. Now I am working on the inside. The inside is still gonna be the same. Should have 3 coats of the Honey Flux being applied after each coat has been fully dried. After the Honey Flux has been dried, we are now going to apply the Ancient Jasper on the rim of the mug. So 3 coats of Ancient Jasper. It's probably like an inch from the rim. I haven't used Ancient Jasper alone in a piece before, so I don't know if it's going to run if it's being used alone, but as my experience, every time I layer it with another glaze, it is a runner glaze. So just have to be very careful in using it because it is a runner. So after the 3 coats of Ancient Jasper has been fully dried, I am now going to apply the Textured Turquoise. Same thing with the Ancient Jasper. Textured Turquoise is a runner glaze if it's being combined or being layered with another glaze. I am going to slightly overlap the Ancient Jasper and then the Textured Turquoise. Just because I love how they combine, how the colors combine, especially on the handle. Since the textured turquoise is a runner glaze when being layered, I am only applying it up to the half of the mug. Later on the finished result, you're going to see how the ancient jasper and the textured turquoise reach the bottom of the mug. Another thing to remember in this combination is do not apply the textured turquoise so thick because I am going to be pretty sure that it's going to get stuck on your kiln show. So after this first coat is going to dry, then I'm going to brush on the second and then the third coat. So here is now the result. This has been fired at cone 6 with a 6 minutes hold. So if you look at the mug, you're going to notice how far the ancient jasper and the textured turquoise run down the mug. In other pieces, you're going to also notice that some of the glaze reach the bottom. I really like the result of this combination. I just have to be very careful on how I apply the glazes. So my husband is using the 12-inch diamond grinding disc in order to sand that excess glaze at the bottom of the mug.